How to deploy project on Vercel without GitHub. So first of all, you have to make sure your project folder contains index.html for static sites or a framework structure like Next.js, React, etc. and packet.json for node-based projects. And then you have to go to vercel.com, and after that you have to log in or sign up to your account. So I'll just log in into my account with my email, and after that you can sign in with email, Google or GitLab, Bitbucket, GitHub not required. And after that you can just start a new project. You can start a new project, and at the bottom you can choose deploy manually or import without Git. And then you can upload your project folder by dragging it into the Vercel UI or clicking upload. And after that, Vercel will auto detect the framework like React, Next.js, etc. And you can select the root directory if needed, and you can set build command and output directory if required. For React, npm run build output can be build slash, and for Next.js npm run build, the output should be .next slash. And for static HTML, you can leave as default. And after that, you have to click on deploy, and Vercel will build and deploy your project. Once complete, you will get a live URL like https your project name .vercel.app. So you can re-upload files manually every time you want to update the site. If you want automation, you will need GitHub or git.ab/bitbucket integration. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.